Okay, you're starting something new, you want to build something new, you want to realize your dream.
3,000 స్పెండ్ చేసి వచ్చాము. సో అంత ఉంటుందా లేదా అనుకున్నాను.
15 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ.
Business Launchpad program is window to the world, to the business world.
Sir, next to my apartment there is one apartment. I am not able to give it to them. But I want to run to America. Why that urgency? There's plenty of business opportunity here. Okay, ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎರರ್ ಥರ. ಯು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಚುರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್, ದೆನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಅದರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅ ಸೆಟಲ್ಡ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್, yes. But if you have an opportunity, should you not take? You should take. But do not waste time in inventing something, leaving what is your easy food here.
I was thinking, because I was not aware about this function, but this program, I was thinking that 3,000, why should we pay? As being a salesman, why should I pay 3,000 rupees? That was the discussion done. I can say that after attending this session, I can proudly say that it is more than that. It is double, triple of that. Because why?
See, my expenses when I quit my job, went back to Mysore, my expenses was 5,000 rupees a month. 10 years back, it was 5,000 rupees a month I could survive because my parents had a house and we did not have any loans. We had cleared everything, myself, my wife, and we had a kid of, my daughter was 1 year old, and we had no expenses apart from this. 5,000 was enough to cater to ourselves. That has become more than, it has come to 6 figures now. I require 1 lakh rupees a month.
సో ఇక్కడికి 3,000 స్పెండ్ చేసి వచ్చాము. సో అంత ఉంటుందా లేదా అనుకున్నాను. లేదు, 10,000 అయినా స్పెండ్ చేయొచ్చు. హ్యాపీ, వెరీ హ్యాపీ. నేను ఎప్పటి నుంచో అంటే ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ స్టడీ చేస్తున్నాను, రెగ్యులర్గా వీడియోలు చూస్తుంటాను. అలాగే కొత్త బిజినెస్లు కూడా మొదలు పెట్టాలని చూస్తూ ఉంటాను. సో ఈ 2 విషయాలు ఇక్కడికి తెలుసుకుందామని వచ్చినాను. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత అభిషేక్ సార్ చెప్పే విధానము ప్లస్ నాకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఎంతో డేటా ఇందులో ఉంది సార్.
మా హస్బెండ్ ఏమన్నారంటే, సో నీ ఇష్టం, నువ్వు ఏదైనా ఒకటి ఐడియా ఫైనలైజ్ అవ్వు అని అన్న టైంలో నేను ఓకే, ఈరోజు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి నాది నేను ఫైనల్గా ఒక వేలో వెళ్ళగలను, నాకు ఇన్పుట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, ఎలా ఫైనాన్స్ తీసుకొచ్చుకోవాలి అన్నది నాకు ఒక క్లారిటీ అయితే మాత్రం ఇక్కడ కంపల్సరీ వచ్చింది. మేబీ మోస్ట్లీ ఇన్ ఇయర్ ఆర్ సో మేబీ ఐ కెన్ స్టార్ట్ మై ఓన్.
Definitely. Okay. That also I have experienced. How does your work speak? You need to wear it, show it, and even if you don't like to be procrastinated, oh she's like that, chuck it off. Your work, you should be confident on that. Show it up every day. And there was one photographer who spotted me and said, hey, why don't you come and work with me? Let's collaborate. I took 3 long years just procrastinating that person. And today he's one of the leading photographers in Karnataka. You must have heard of Focus Photography, if anybody knows. He gave me an opportunity to meet artists, say, dude, I think you should work with her because she does a fab job.
అంటే డైలీ రొటీన్ లేకపోవడం, ఎక్సర్సైజ్ లేకపోవడం, దానివల్ల నేను ఏదో ఒకటి మా ఫ్యామిలీకి చేయాలనుకునేవాళ్ళు. దానివల్ల నేను ఒక బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా అని చెప్పేసి ఒక బ్యాడ్మింటన్ బిజినెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాము అని అనుకుంటే డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయి, బ్యాడ్మింటన్ కోర్ట్ చేస్తే అయిపోద్ది కదా, బిజినెస్ అయిపోతుంది అని అనుకున్నాను. కానీ ఈ సెషన్ అటెండ్ అయిన తర్వాత తెలిసింది అసలు బిజినెస్ ఎలా స్టార్ట్ చేయాలా, మనీ ఫైనాన్షియల్ ఎలా డిసైడ్ అవ్వాలా, మార్కెటింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలా, సోషల్ మీడియా మార్కెటింగ్ నేనందుకు నేను ఎట్లా ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేసుకోవాలి, దీని నుంచి నేను ఎలా బతకాలో, 10 మందిని ఎలా బతికించాలని చెప్పేసి ఒక మాటలో చెప్పాలంటే బాస్ మైండ్ సెట్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి ఈ సెషన్లో నాకు తెలిసింది. అంతే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
I'm interested in doing business, but after seeing Kaushik sir videos, I came here and learned more valuable information on how to start a business.
The objectives of this workshop is, first thing is be your own boss. That is the statement that I love the most about this workshop or business launchpad program. And risk versus reward. Job is riskier, business is also riskier, but the reward that you get from starting a business is something better than what you get from a job, right? So that is why we all are here, I guess.
But for anybody who looks at starting this from home, I think you're in the current day, investment would be say about less than 10,000. But like she said, you have to talk about your work every single opportunity you get. It's nothing to be embarrassed about. I think a lot of people are very apologetic about what they do. You know, I get this from a lot of, I do talk to a lot of homemakers because of the field that I'm in now.
I would thank you for Bosswala. And after coming here, I learned lot about the business plannings. I was able to meet many of the business people, which gave me a more knowledge on that, and also with the finance or with the loans, everything.
ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು 1 ಇಯರಿಂದ ನಂದು ಕನಸು. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಭಯ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ನೂ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಭಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
I want to start one company and buy good company shares and keep it as a holding company. That's why what all the procedures I wanted to know. That's why I came here. And I got good informations that I will start immediately and I will execute this plan.
I started pre-COVID some business, right? The nutrition food business. So I would like to continue that same business now. So there are some pointers which I made some mistakes, right? So now I came to know, okay, there are a lot of learning left still. I want to rectify those mistakes, not to repeat. I used to market myself. I used to go to the gyms and the play arenas, right? So there I used to promote my product.
I have an agricultural land. I am cultivating my organic business. I don't know what is Bosswala. When I came here, I come to know that I can also do the business here. So that only I'm very much impressed today's session. This is what I want to do.
ಕಂಪ್ನಿ 15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 15 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನಾನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
If you think I want my absolute freedom, I am my own boss, I'll build my business however I want. If you're thinking like that, freedom comes with too much of responsibility.
So now I have got a clear idea. See, the thing is, in next 5 years, I want to be called up here to motivate people like you. So that's what
1.5 lakh new businesses are registered in India every month. If you observe, you have got big companies. They are like legendary companies, time-tested business models, all that. But MSMEs contribute the major part to our economy, our GDP.
This has helped me at least to think about leaving the fear and start the business and take some steps to move forward in starting of the business.
Bosswala. Be the boss.